everybody? It's Sean the Cosmic Traveler, and we're back here with another walk. Today I'm at Tidbury Park, which is in Delaware, and I'm gonna do a little bit of POV. I'm gonna do another style of little bit of cinematic shots here and there, and hope you guys enjoy. All right, let's start this walk. It's a beautiful day out here today. Today feels a lot better temperature wise. So it's pretty breezy and it just feels nice and cool out here. Good time to come out here. Going up a light little hill here. Not nothing too strenuous. And there's trails all throughout this whole place here. I have to do another video. We're gonna go out that way. All right, so there's multiple trails here. There's trails out that way, but today we're just gonna stay on the main trail. And this is the pond here. That's if you want to go down closer to the pond. I say let's do it. I don't have the right shoes on for this, but it'll work. This was a little steeper than the other incline we went. Very nice view. And there's a playground over there and a dog park across. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's right there, straight ahead. Climb back up. This is a little more steeper than I intended it to be, but that's fine. Right here we got a bench overlooking the pond here. I could have just did this instead of going down there earlier, but hey, it still works. All right, so this brings us closer to the pond down here. This is easier because it has steps. Just another point of view of this pond here. So I'm gonna walk pond side of the trail for a little bit just to get some shots of the pond here. This is something about the trout that they stock in here. So this just meets back up with the main trail, just the lower end of it. All right, so we're gonna head back and go on the top of the main trail. That one's much easier to walk. You know, there's not a lot of roots from the trees, and you know, there's a lot of more bugs down at this end because we're closer to the pond. So we're definitely gonna take the higher road. All right, so now we're back on the main trail. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day or night, whatever time you're watching the video. I hope everyone's having a great, you know, day or night, whatever time you're watching this video. So that's the trail down here that we were going to be on, but as you see, it's not as good as the main trail up here, so that's why I chose to come back up. But we get some shots of the pond, which is awesome. All right, so we're almost at this trailhead here that goes to this river here. And if you go left, it just goes around the whole pond all over again. This side goes to the dog park here. I do not have Silas with me today, so we won't be going over to the dog park. And if for those who don't know, Silas is my Australian Shepherd mix. He will be on some adventures with me. It's just hard right now to video and have an energetic dog as well. This is the river that we have made it to. This is just beautiful. The breeze feels so nice. That breeze coming through. This walk isn't that long, so I didn't need to bring like any water or anything. I have water at my vehicle, but this walk is fairly short, so didn't need to carry it on this one. Right now we're walking around a dog park, which is right there. No one's over there right now. It's pretty empty here. I think I have the place to myself, honestly. Which is always nice. So this whole area here used to be totally different. A tornado came through, or a hurricane came through. High winds came through, that's what I know, and destroyed a lot of this here. Destroyed a lot of the vegetation and the trees here. I know the state officials had people come for the park and cut down a lot of the trees that were damaged and hanging so people wouldn't get hurt. So this is aftermath of all that here from that storm. There's a stray cat. At one point you couldn't even walk this whole section here. It was just closed off because of all the damage that's out here. This park area is very beautiful. I actually have a lot of memories out here. When I was a kid, we used to come to field trips to this park, and I thought it was like the best thing ever coming here. And I totally loved this park when I was a kid, and then when I got older, I was like, I could come here myself. I don't need, be facilitated by school coming here. Which I love this park here. And also, when I was just a little older, teenager, I used to take my bike through here and jump a lot of the trails, jump a lot of these hills here. As if you can see those, nice to just ride my bike through all of this. It didn't used to be as overgrown as as it is right now, but when it wasn't, I would take my bike right up there. It's very steep. So this is like the finishing stretch of the park. This leads us right back out to the parking lot, and it just keeps wrapping around. And there's like some trails at the bottom level I showed earlier that we didn't take. I mean, on another day we'll take those lower end trails and the ones that are farther out that I didn't take as well. All right, and we are back out to the parking lot. Alright, this is the end of the video. This is Sean the Cosmic Traveler, and I want to thank you for joining me today on my walk. I will have many more like this, and I will be posting, and I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day.